I don't like the D word. The D word sets you up for failure. The D word doesn't change you. Okay, so today is month 8, and it's actually really cool because I started on a Tuesday, May 7th, 2019, and today is Tuesday, January 7th, 2020. It's been 8 months, and today I'm down 83 pounds and 81.5 inches. So obviously, if you've done the math from my 6-month video, it's kind of slowed down, but I lost weight over the holidays. Like, how many pounds is that? 14, 15 pounds? 15 pounds over the holidays. Like, that's typically what people gain. So, I'm really excited. I have 20 pounds till I hit a healthy BMI. Never in my life have I been a healthy BMI. Literally. Oh man. But it's not just the weight. It's everything. I feel like a completely different person. My mindset has shifted. My habits have shifted. Everything has shifted for me. Just who I am as a person. It's been an amazing, amazing journey that I can't even describe to you. And the habits of health is key to a transformation. It's not a diet. And that's the thing I tell people that I coach is it's not a diet. It really isn't, because when you get your mental state in a good place and you get your habits in a good place, you're going to soar through because you're choosing health. Okay. So month 8 continuation update. Yes, it is a couple days later because that's just my life. Oh my goodness. 6 feet, almost 7 feet, almost 7 feet of inches off my body. That's crazy. You know, it's funny because my weight loss is slowing down, and it can play mind games with you, but I have to remember that I'm in a marathon. I'm not in a sprint. And I have to think that 5 to 10 pounds looks way different on my body than it did when I started. Now I'm only 20 pounds away from my goal. So really, if I lose another 10 pounds, I mean, like, that's awesome, you know? And if it takes me a month and a half to lose 10 pounds or 2 months, it's still awesome. So, my next goal is another 10 more pounds. My main goal is 20 pounds. But it's amazing how much of a difference that looks off the body. So where my mind wants to think 10 pounds is nothing, I should be losing that quicker. But I've been on program for 8 months and I weigh less now, a lot less. I know a lot of people that I actually weigh less than, but my mind wants to tell me you're not there yet, so you should be losing more. And the mind likes to play games with you of like, stopped working, see, you'll never get to your weight. And it's like, no, I'm still gonna get to my weight. I have to remind myself that I'm smaller, and it takes sometimes slower the lighter you are. The closer you get to your goal. It doesn't mean your goal's never going to happen. But man, the mind is crazy. So anyways, it's been going really good. I'm helping a lot of new people find health, and that's been really awesome and really rewarding in helping others find health and having that community. It's just been really, really great. I'm very thankful. I keep my feelings simple. I really keep them simple. But so pretty much I don't change it up. I did add some chicken noodle soup back in this month because it's cold and rainy, as you can see. So it's just been really going good. You know, the transformation is what's the most like amazing part of it. I really do feel like a different person the last 8 months. And I think I will always be a different person. And so I'm very thankful for that. I'm very thankful for the transformation. So I just want to encourage you, because I have known what it feels like to sit at a booth, to scooch in, sucking it in, trying to fit yourself in. I've known what it feels like to go into a store and know you can't shop there, but you're shopping there with your sister or your friends who can shop there. I know what it feels like to get on a roller coaster ride and not sure how the bar is going to fit, or go anywhere that requires a seatbelt and hopefully it fits around your waist. I know what it feels like to walk up a flight of stairs and huffing and puffing, body aching, back hurting. Now I'm running up stairs at work, not even out of breath. There's just so much hope out there. And this plan offers that. It's not a diet. It's not a diet. I call it the D word. I don't like the D word. The D word sets you up for failure. The D word doesn't change you. The D word is a restraining. I'm in a lifelong transformation, and I'm taking back my life, and I'm making choices, and I'm enjoying life, and there's no stopping. There's no stopping this. Whoa! There's no stopping this success. Iced coffee, no cream, no sugar. This is how I do it. You can do almond milk, by the way. I guess I could have asked for almond milk. Does Starbucks have almond milk? I don't know. But I always just do plain. So almond milk can count as a condiment, certain amount of it and stuff. So anyways, that's 8 months. My life is completely different. And I'm so busy with wig reviews that I don't do a lot of Optavia on my channel, but I hope it encourages you to just know that there's hope. And if you're just tired of trying things that aren't working, tired of trying the D word, diet, and it's not working. Well, there's a reason why it's not working. It's not working because it's not a lifelong transformation. It's not done in community. It's not done in a relationship. It's not done with healthy habits. Like, I'd love to chat with you on it and just share with you. And it's not because I'm coaching. It's not about that for me. It's literally about, I feel like people, you know, because I've been there, we don't realize that that's possible. I gave up on everything. I tried everything. I tried the pills. I tried the drink. I tried Weight Watchers. I tried everything. I tried intermittent fasting. But when you don't have healthy habits and healthy lifestyle and a mind shift, you're going to be selling from one thing to another. And I know that sounds bad, but this is different. This is different. It's very different. That's all I can say. And it's easy. It's easy. It's easy. A lot of my new clients, this is easy. Yep. That's why I needed it. That's why I needed it. My cousins gave me a pair of Heather's pants for Christmas. Heather had lost weight and she got down really thin to the point where I didn't even recognize her. My cousin used to have really big hips. She had awesome hips. And she lost so much weight, like it was like, is that my cousin? And so she got into, I think, size 8. She probably got smaller than size 8. I don't know. I can't remember. But one of her pairs of pants were a size 8 from Old Navy. And my cousins, her sisters, gave me them for Christmas. Best gift ever. Ever. And like they said is, we know that Heather would want you to have these. We know that she'd be proud of you. And she'd be proud of me. She'd be probably getting into gear Just being honest. And she's probably working herself harder. But she'd be proud of me. We loved each other. Like, and if you know us personally, you know that we kind of always competition a little bit, pushed each other, but like, she'd be so proud of me. I know she would. But she was a rock star. And to wear her pants, it's like, I still smell her on them. I don't know if I'll wash them. I'm gonna be very careful with them. I'm not gonna wear them all the time. But they still smell like her. And if I wash them, it'll be like a hand soak, because I'm not gonna get rid of that smell. If you've lost someone, you understand that. I know to some who haven't lost anybody, that can seem weird, but until you lose someone, you understand. So anyways, month 8, this is me